Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
From up here, Kansas City feels controlled. You're standing above the skyline, not inside it, and that changes everything. This hill isn't just a park, it's a statement. When cities build on elevation, they're choosing perspective. They're deciding who looks down and who looks up. Below you, traffic moves along Kessler Road. Exhibition Hall spreads wide and heavy to the left. Penn Valley Park opens out in green curves. And beyond all of it, the skyline rises. Compact, but not overwhelming. From this height, the city looks intentional, ordered, manageable. That's the power of elevation. Kansas City wasn't forced to grow vertically, it had land, it had room. So instead of compressing upward, it expanded outward. And that's why the skyline isn't packed tight like coastal cities. You can see gaps between towers, you can see sky between structures, it breathes. From here the contrast becomes obvious. Formal terraces near the top of the hill, sweeping parklands below. Hard-edged roads cutting through green space. It's geometry meeting landscape. Look at how wide everything is, wide roads, wide lawns, wide sidelines. This part of the city was built with confidence. It assumes space, it assumes scale, and that matters. Because when you step back and look at a city from above, you start to see what it values. Kansas City values openness, it values visibility, it values the ability to gather. That massive lawn below doesn't exist by accident, it exists because this hill was meant to hold people. The skyline out there is a working engine. Finance, healthcare, business, development. But this hill is the viewing platform. It's the pause button. It's a place where you stop moving and take measures of what's been built. From ground level downtown, buildings feel tall. From here they feel placed. That shift in perspective is what makes this spot powerful. It turns density into design, it turns traffic into pattern. It turns towers into markers instead of walls. Kansas City doesn't overwhelm you from here, it unfolds. And that unfolding, park, road, skyline, horizon, feels deliberate. From this vantage point, the city isn't just something you walk through, it's something you survey.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.